In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how to replace our hood lift support located on the passenger side. The process for this is the same for the driver's side. We want to use a small pocket flathead screwdriver right here, and on the top there's going to be a little metal spring clip. Now the first thing you want to do is prop up that hood using some sort of support, because once you remove this here, the hood might come crashing down. If it isn't already, that's probably why you're replacing these. What you want to do is go ahead, use your pocket screwdriver, insert right here, and you're going to pull out this little clip. With that out, we should be able to go ahead and pull this out. With that release, we can now go ahead and focus on the bottom here. Now there's a little slide clip on the bottom. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver, and we're simply going to want to go in here and want to pry this bottom clip upward. I'm going to push it up, and that is going to expose the ball unit that is underneath, which is the pivot. Once that clip is all the way up, you're going to see that little ball there, and you go ahead and pivot this up and swing that right off. Now before installing the new component, we're going to go ahead and wipe off the pivot balls here. There's one up here on the hood, one down here on the upper portion of our fender area. And I'm just going to put a small dab of grease on both of these here, because these are both pivot points for the new lift support. And once we have those greased up, we have our new component here, and these have the metal clips on both ends. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply press this down, and that clip locks into place. Simply bring up the other one here. Now if this isn't lining up here, what we're simply going to do is raise the hood line this up, and then press it on. That clip is now locked in. Now go ahead and release the hood, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.